Hello everyone. This topic ventilation. Definition of ventilation. First, ventilation may be defined as exchange of air. Ventilation may be defined as the exchange of air between indoors and the outdoor. The ventilation will control air temperature, humidity and the purity. Temperature, humidity and purity. Second, the exchange of air between the lungs and the atmosphere so that oxygen can be the exchange for the carbon dioxide in the alveoli, the thin air such in the lungs. Second, repeat definition. The exchange of air between the lungs and the atmosphere so that the oxygen can be exchanged for carbon dioxide in the alveoli, the thin air such in the lungs. Importance. First point, it will improve the health status both physically and mentally. It improve the health status both physically and mentally. Second point, it will prevent fatigues, instability, loss. It will prevent fatigues, instability, loss of working capacity, this dizziness, loss of the aptitude, insomnia. Last point, good system of the ventilation, improve the knowledge. Type of ventilation. First point, the main two type of the ventilation are: first, natural ventilation. Second, artificial mechanical ventilation. Natural ventilation. First point, natural ventilation is the simplest system of the ventilating small dwellings, schools and office. The wind is an active force in the ventilation. When it blow through a room, it is called perfusion. Doors and the windows facing each other provide cross ventilation. Diffusion, air passed through the smallest openings or the space by the diffusion. Inequality of the temperature. Air flows highly density to low density. It rises when slightly heated and escapes from openings provided high up in the room. Mechanical ventilation. First point, mechanical of the artificial ventilation may be of the flowing type. Mechanical ventilation. Mechanical of the artificial ventilation may be of the flowing types. Second, exhaust ventilation. Exhaust ventilation, plenum ventilation, balanced ventilation, air conditioning. Air conditioning. Point, exhaust ventilation. In this system, air is extracted or exhausted to the outside of exit fans. Exhaust fans usually driven by the electricity, as air is the exhaust are the vacuum in the created, which includes fresh air to enter the room through window, doors and the other inlets. Plenum ventilation. In this system, fresh air is blown into the room by the centrifugal fan so as to create the positive pressure and displace the vitiated air. balanced ventilation. This is the combination of the exhaust and the plenum system of the ventilation. This is the combination of the exhaust and the plenum system of the ventilation. Air conditioning is defined as the stimulants control of the all or at last the first three of those factors affecting both the physical and chemical conditions of the atmosphere within any structures. These factors include temperature, humidity, air, movement, distribution, dust, bacteria, odors, and toxic gases, most of the which affects in the greater to lesser degree human health and the comfort. Standards of the ventilation. First point, cubic space. Cubic space is the supply of 300,000 cubic feet air per person per house. Second point, floor space. A floor space of the 5200 sq feet per person. Air exchange. It is the recommended that in the living rooms there should be 2 or 3 air changes in 1 hour. Ventilation is most important air outing and the oxygen receiving. Thank you guys.